to today's video. So today we are going to be talking about another update on the crypto market, as well as price prediction, including the way I trade, so that you guys will understand how I trade and hopefully be able to integrate some of my trading methods in what you guys are doing or your own systems, because I am against copy trading. I am against callouts or signals. So without further ado, let's get started. And okay, so taking a look at price right now, I do not like how it's looking. Like me personally, this is not good at all, because I do not see any starting points other than this one right here, which is this low. This low is the only starting point that I see, which price has not broken past without a BOS in hand. Keep that in mind. So from there, what we do is, as we can see, price broke out, came back in almost 99%, but did not go below. Came out around that area. Just like that. Yep. So that would mean your next box or your next point of interest is within this area. Don't get me wrong, price is leaning on the higher side, where we will be expecting a break either here, anywhere, and expect it to come back down and then fly up. That is exactly what we are expecting, but don't get me wrong, price can always have a major turnaround towards the sell side, which is why do not quote me on this specific trade, because we do not have a point of prediction at the moment. Although we are looking very bullish, structure is showing bullish. I just checked the fear and greed ratio. It is arguably greed, and with greed comes a little bit of want, need, pressure of retail traders to enter trades, which is why entering a trade has even proven that buys are a lot more efficient in terms of probability of climb, which is why we are going to be waiting for a positive move just like this one right here. Although, like I said, do not quote me, because at the same time price can be coming around these areas and they can move around that as well. But I mean, like, at the same time, that's about it for BTC. So if we take a look at Solana is looking arguably decent, I'm not gonna lie. So this is gonna be your next box. You can get rid of all these lines. Just get rid of all of that. So this is your next box. Price broke, came out, tested here. This makes your next box. Then, as you can see, price broke down, came back and tested, broke down. This makes your next box. Price broke past, but broke out the other side. So now we're gonna box this next one up, get rid of everything in the back. There was a clear movement of a BOS. So what we do now is we just watch both points in the top here, just like that. So now we see price broke up, came back in test. It's about a test. You can climb right now. So the point of entry is at this exact moment when I am uploading this video. So I hope you guys, I mean, of course, if you guys do want to enter, just hop in. I would suggest this specific trade to be a low level one, maybe an arguably decent position size. Write it out, 1.5 to 2 ratio, and then you should be good with this trade specifically. Other than that, we have Ethereum. Looking at Ethereum, price broke, came back and tested here, broke out here. So which would mean this is your next box. I don't like all these past. And then as you can see, price never broke, but broke a little bit in the bottom, came back and test here, broke down. This is your next box, just like that one there. So from here, as you can see properly, if we just shorten this down and we put down our trade here, just like that one right there, here until here. You see price actually came back down, tested inside. Now we can expect a break downwards, and then yeah, just like that. So for ETH, we're definitely looking at a sell position, which is not a good sign because Bitcoin is showing us more projected buy, but other than that, we just have to stay on track. And then if we take a look at ADA, if you take a look properly, we expected price to come around this part, and it did. So price did come down, right? And from this bottom here, you're gonna expect price to actually come back up, which it did. So that would mean your next box actually would be this to this. Price never broke down. Price actually did break up, test, come down here. So that would mean this is the point of break, up here, down, up. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Right. So now that would be this one is your point of break. And this is your next box. So for ADA, we definitely broke past, so we are looking at a little bit of a more rise up, down, up. We can get rid of all past trades, just like that one. Just like that, as you can see, price is going around this area right now. Yep. That's about it also for ADA, so we are definitely looking at a buy position for ADA. But the only problem with ADA, it's one of the more unexpected coins. As you can see, price move is very up and down, so just like that, price can be up here but come down with a BOS. But I personally do not think there's anything to worry about. Just follow your system. You will come out positive if you stick to it and believe. So other than that, I hope of course you guys did in fact enjoy this video. Like and subscribe of course if you did, and I will be seeing you guys in the next one.